Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to make any video in your camera roll your ringtone for free. This video has been very requested, so I'm really excited. Let's get into it. So this is the video I will be using. I found it on Instagram and I just really liked the audio to it. You can use any video you want though. I am now going into this free website called capwing.com and clicking the upload button and then photo library. I am choosing the video in my camera roll that I want to use and uploading it into the website. I'm going to click MP3 to make it a sound file. Then I will click create and wait for it to download. Once it is downloaded, I will make sure that it has the video I want and then click download and download again, and it will be in my little downloads at the top. You're going to open your GarageBand app and then click the plus at the top. You're going to then click audio recorder. Now I'm going to click the little square at the top as shown. And it will take me to this section so I can see all my tracks. I will then click this loop button. And then I will click files at the top. I then clicked Browse Items from the Files app and clicked my sound file that I wanted to use. I then dragged my sound file onto the track. I realized I dragged the wrong sound file, but I was able to fix that. Then I went and clicked the super small plus button to the right. When I clicked that, I clicked the section A and I made the number go to 30. Your screen should now look like this. Then I went and copied my soundtrack and pasted it to fit the track length. I adjusted my sound clips a little bit how I wanted it, and then when I was happy, I clicked the small triangle at the top. I then clicked my songs and my project saved. I clicked my project and named it Vibes, but you can name it whatever you want. I then held down on it and clicked share. I then clicked ringtone and clicked continue. Then you click export. Hit OK and then go into your settings app. Click sound and haptics and then go into ringtone and you'll find the ringtone you just made. I hope this video helped. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!